When it comes to choosing the right dropshipping tool for high-ticket products, two names come up a lot, Modalyst and Oberlo. But which one is better for your business? Let's break down the features, advantages, and some drawbacks of each tool so you can make an informed decision. First off, both Modalyst and Oberlo have their strengths when it comes to sourcing products for your store. But when you're aiming for high-ticket items, the needs are different than with low-cost goods. Let's dive right into it. Next thing, Modalyst tends to stand out in terms of product selection. They offer a wide range of premium suppliers, especially for high-ticket items, with a focus on US-based suppliers. This can make it easier to find quality products with faster shipping times. However, you'll notice that these premium suppliers come with higher price tags, and the overall cost for dropshipping these high-ticket products can be steeper than what you might get with Oberlo. It's not always about finding the cheapest product, but ensuring quality to match the higher retail price you'll be charging. On the other hand, Oberlo, which works directly with AliExpress suppliers, offers a wider selection of products, including many high-ticket items, but it's important to know that AliExpress suppliers often have longer shipping times, especially when you're dealing with international shipping. This can hurt your customer satisfaction for higher-end products where buyers expect fast delivery. While Oberlo gives you the flexibility to choose from a massive variety of suppliers, the potential for delays is something you can't ignore. The fourth thing you need to consider is pricing transparency. Modalyst offers a clear pricing structure where you can easily see the markup on the products you choose, which helps in setting the right price margins. However, they do charge a monthly subscription fee for access to premium suppliers. Oberlo, in contrast, is completely free to use for basic features, but has a paid plan for more advanced features, which may be necessary when dealing with high-ticket products. The trade-off here is that with Oberlo, the more advanced tools come at a cost, but there's no upfront fee for getting started, which can be attractive for people just starting out. The fifth thing to think about is integrations. Modalyst integrates well with platforms like Shopify, which is ideal if you're running a store there. If you're using other platforms, it could be a bit tricky. Oberlo, being a Shopify exclusive tool, works seamlessly within that ecosystem. If you're heavily invested in Shopify, Oberlo makes things easy, but you won't get much flexibility if you're trying to integrate it elsewhere. When it comes to ease of use, both platforms are user-friendly, but Oberlo has a slightly simpler interface for beginners. Modalyst, however, feels a bit more polished for people looking to scale and go after high-ticket products, but it could require a steeper learning curve for those just getting started in dropshipping. Next thing is customer support. Modalyst offers 24/7 support, which is crucial when you're dealing with high-ticket products where problems can be more complex. Oberlo support is responsive, but it's only available during business hours, which could be an issue if you're running your store globally or during off hours. Both platforms are solid options depending on your specific business needs, but here's the deal. While Modalyst offers quality and faster shipping for high-ticket products, the higher upfront costs and subscription fees might not work for everyone. Oberlo is more flexible with no initial costs, but the shipping times and the potential for delayed customer satisfaction might be a deal breaker when you're dealing with premium products. After trying both myself and weighing the pros and cons, I'd say that if you're serious about dropshipping high-ticket products and want a more streamlined, cost-effective experience, there's actually a better alternative out there. If you want to check it out for yourself, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to my viewers, and you won't have to deal with the drawbacks we discussed here. In the end, while Modalyst and Oberlo have their merits, if high-ticket dropshipping is your goal, you might want to explore this better option I've linked below.